guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making orange curd. I am making this for a special reason, but you'll see why later in the week. I just thought it's really nice. Instead of lemon curd, I thought we'd do something a bit different, which is orange curd. So let's get into it. For this recipe, the ingredients you'll need are a juice of 1 orange, 2 egg yolks, 20 grams of butter, 75 grams of caster sugar, and the zest of 1 orange. Let's get into the baking. The first thing we're going to do is add in a saucepan the egg yolks and the caster sugar. Then all we're going to do is whisk until nice and combined. Okay, so this is now well combined, and it is kind of really thick when you whisk it, but really like smooth when you just hold it up and stop. It's the same colour as like a normal like baking mixture. And so now all we're going to do is add in the orange juice and the orange zest. And again, we are just going to mix until well combined. This is now nicely well combined, and now we're just going to pop over to the stove. So at the stage, we're going to put this onto about a medium heat. And while we do that, we're just going to stir and let it cook. Okay, so I've just taken this off of the heat, and now we're going to go back over to the workstation. So this is finished now. This is finished now. This is finished cooking now. It's just come off the hob. It's still a bit hot. And now we're going to put in a bit of butter at a time, and all we're going to do is whisk. Okay, so all the butter's now in, and it's now officially done. I'm just going to pour this into this container so we can freeze it. This can be kept for about over a month. You'll see why I'm using this later on this week, so look out for that video. But thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this is just so nice. Honestly, it's like, oh, it's better than lemon curd, honestly. So I'm just gonna get on and pour this in, and bye.